What's up, my kings and queens? It's math time with Mr. Ortiz, okay? And today is Monday, September 14th, 2020. All right, let's get into it, guys, okay? You with me? Focus on me. Look at me. You ready? Math. Math time. All right. So, you see this picture right here? I need help sorting my supplies, but I don't know how to do it. How should I sort my supplies? Let's see, should I just split it down the middle? What do you think I should do? Huh. I'm sure you gave me all really good ideas, but my friend, he helped me sort these out, and look what we did. We separated them into two categories. So we did crayons and markers. So we had this great idea of separating them using a T-chart. This right here is a little T-chart, guys. It's a graphic organizer that helps you separate your data or your items into two categories. So our categories were crayons and markers, okay? So today's objective is today I will be able to collect. So collect is when you gather, okay? So you're gathering stuff and then you sort it. So then that means you put them into different piles or groups, okay? So collecting is gathering, and then sorting them is putting them in groups of based on similarity. So you put them in groups if they're the same, okay? So today I will be able to collect, sort, and organize data in two categories by using a T-chart, which is exactly what my friend helped me do here. We did a T-chart, and we call it a T-chart because you see these lines right here, this line, it looks like a T, right? A lowercase t. So that's what that is. And we made two categories because I had crayons and markers, and we sorted them. So we sorted them and we put them in groups of the same thing. So that's why all the crayons are with the crayons, and that's why all the markers are with the markers, okay? So we collected our stuff and we sorted them into two categories, crayons and markers, okay? So a T-chart is a graphic organizer that helps you sort your data into two or more categories. Here's what Mr. Ortiz did. I had nickels and dimes all bundled up in my pocket. So I did another T-chart. See, there's my T. To help me organize them and sort them. So remember, sorting is putting them into groups that are the same. So I put my nickels with nickels and my dimes with dimes. So I made a T-chart. So I have nickels on one side. It looks like I have 1, 2, 3 nickels. And then I put dimes on the other side. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dimes. Okay, it helps me organize it. All right, so more vocab, okay, guys? I'm trying to move my face so it doesn't block the pictures. All right, so data. So data are the things that we collect. So data is information that you collect, that you gather, okay? So so if you see here, and data can be anything. Data can be it's just like information, okay, guys? So they're things that you collect. And then you sort it. You put things together that are the same. So remember, like the crayons, we put those together because they're the same. So we sorted them. We sorted the crayons with the crayons and the markers with the markers, okay? Kind of like our little friend here is doing. Johnny, look at Johnny. He's putting the knives with the butter knives with the butter knives, the forks with the forks, and the spoon with the spoons. He's sorting them. He's putting them together because they're the same, okay? Same over here. Look. It looks like my friend was doing laundry and looks like he put all the shirts with the shirts And all the pants with the pants, he separated them. He sorted them into two categories: shirts and pants. All right, so remember, data's things that you collect, and then sort is when you put them together because they are the same. Okay? So look, I have these fruits. Can you help me sort them and organize them? What's sort again? Remember, sort is when you put them into groups that are groups that have the same thing in it. Okay, so I have apples and oranges. So look, I made a T chart and I separated. I'm gonna put apples on one side and oranges on the other. So I'm gonna drag and drop them. All right, so let me move it. We'll put the oranges first. Oops. Mr. Ortiz had to get out of the presentation because he can't drag and drop. But look, so we'll put them together. Orange, orange, apple, apple, apple. We just sorted them on a T chart, right? So we sorted them because they're the same. So we put all the apples together. We sorted the apples and then we sorted the oranges. We put the oranges together because they're oranges, right? I'm back. Okay, had to make it big screen again, okay? So focus on me, guys, all right? So your first part of your assignment is to watch this lesson, which you're doing now. So good job. And now the second part of this lesson is I have a drag and drop activity. You see how we just dragged and dropped the oranges? We sorted them. We put oranges on one side and we put apples on the other side. We sorted them. I have an assignment that's just like that, okay? It's in your Google Classroom. So go to the Math Google Classroom, find the assignment for Monday, September 14th, and drag and drop and help me sort. Help me sort those things, okay, guys? And help me put them on the T chart, all right? If you need any help, let me know, okay, guys? Bye, and I can't wait to see the great work that you do, okay? Good job.